Oh my God.
Wow. Oh, wow, okay.
Well, I couldn't believe that 4 years really went past that fast.
I see different bits and pieces of me. I was playing a role in the drama production Into the Woods.
Well, I definitely lost a lot of weight. And I started playing a lot of sports, such as basketball, and started going to the gym. And it's also because of Stamford, you know, it's such a diverse community, a lot of people with different passions. My friends back in local school, they never really do any sports.
I really remember that when I first joined in grade 9, I thought I would be intimidated by the English-speaking environment in Stamford, but I wasn't. Indeed, I was welcomed by all the students. They didn't mind that I wasn't really fluent in English by then, but they encouraged me to join their conversations every day in recesses and then during lunches, and that's how I slowly gained my confidence.
I think I do look a bit different when I'm seeing this. One of the things that didn't change about me is my passions, in which I think it's one of the things that I would be continuously obsessive about, because once I set my mind onto something, I wouldn't change it easily. I'm really proud of my personal growth. Without this environment, I wouldn't become such a person that likes to think critically and reflect on myself.
Who would have thought that this little kid would turn into this? Dominic in 5th grade was quite introverted, didn't really talk to anyone. But now I'm quite open-minded and I love to explore the world, explore our community and talk to a lot more people.
Grade 5 Candy find it hard to fit into the new environment, and especially it's a environment full with English as the first language. When she first got the opportunity to show herself, she just go, and it was just like a second thing. She has the bravery and she has the courage of doing a very challenging task to her at that time.
A piece of advice that I would like to give to my freshmen is to always keep an open mind and embrace all the challenges that's thrown to you, because you never know where these challenges would take you to.
As a Stamford senior, my quote for the new freshman is... Oh man, I forgot the quote. My quote for the freshman is, "You can never overshadow a shining star."
My advice for incoming freshmen is don't be hesitant on your current goals or any progress that you're making, and just keep the potential to continuously exploring yourself into different fields.